Here's a quick video on how to make pepitas. After you remove the pumpkin seeds from the pumpkin, you want to make sure you rinse off the pulp. The next step after this would be to dry the seeds. Place the dried seeds into a bowl. Here I am using extra virgin olive oil to coat the seeds. Add your favorite seasoning and then mix thoroughly. For this particular recipe, I am using an air fryer. So quick update. I had a hole right there in the middle, if you can see, but I put aluminum foil on the other side. This way the seeds don't fall through and burn. So I'm gonna put everything back inside and I poked some holes so the air can flow through. And we're gonna finish cooking pumpkin seeds. This is what the finished product looks like. I roasted the pumpkin seeds in the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 375 degrees. Once you are satisfied with your pumpkin seeds, you are going to transfer them to an airtight container. I like to use ball mason jars. These always work for me and it keeps my seeds fresh for weeks. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Peace.